This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer%20 and %20 Joel%20 Hobson. 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit west/wall of 6 incredible windows across the south side with bridge view. Fantastic square-shaped 38 family room, instead of long and narrow. Open floor plan, primary loft bedroom. All appliances included. The Lofts rooftop is amazing with pool, incredible river views and exercise room. 2 premium parking spaces and 10 by 15 storage space. Second bedroom or office does not have a door. Pictures are from when he bought it. One of the most fun buildings in downtown Memphis.Walkable. To everything. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer%20 and %20 Joel%20 Hobson at 901-761-1622.